Well, it depends where you live. If you live in one of the states like Florida or Texas, which has unlimited homestead exemptions, your home equity is protected statutorily or pursuant to the Constitution of that state. If you live in a state like California, which has a very miserly homestead exemption, protecting the house is generally a big challenge. Obviously, the more debt you have on the house, the less likely your house will be gone after by a creditor because they have to pay that debt off in order to get clear title. One of the instruments that we like very much for both estate planning and creditor protection is the Qualified Personal Residence Trust, or QPERT. That's an irrevocable trust that's set up by husband and wife for the benefit of their children as remainder beneficiaries. They retain the right to live in the house for a period of years, which they designate, and at the end of that period of time, the house reverts to the children, and then they rent the house from the trust. The reason that's a prudent plan is because once they place the house in the trust, it's no longer on their balance sheet, and so if they're sued personally, those assets are not subject to their creditor claims. And there's been several cases that have come out in recent years that have held up the efficacy of a qualified personal residence trust when a creditor has sought to set that trust aside as a fraudulent transfer.